Hello and welcome to Drivenmad. Now you can see the four of us.
Oh yeah, us and the bandits.
Us and the bandits. Well, we're some sort of bandit, aren't we?
Yeah.
We are out and about for our Suzuki Grand Vitara's maiden voyage off dirt. And we thought, because we're very boring, we would go to the same place we did a few months ago, and we would show you how this compares in a 4x4 test compared to a Mitsubishi, a Fiat Panda, two Mitsubishis and a Fiat Panda. Yeah. So it gives us a reason to go off-road, and it gives us something to film, and it gives us something to test. So join us and we'll wander along. Ta-da!
Low is going to help Hannibal
And me.
Oh, I'm going to film you going up here. Right, so I'm going first because I've just run up the hill, so Dad thinks I deserve a little go first.
Popping out.
And we were going to be in 4 low because 4 high is exactly the same, but just we'll burn the clutch out, so there's no point using that. 4 low, this doesn't have diff lock, doesn't have traction control, so 4 low, first gear, and I'll try and get the back wheel to lift off and see how good the 4-wheel drive system is. So if we head over.
So this is exactly the same spot. I think most people who do little testings find their favourite spot, don't they?
Yeah, this is clutch out, so it's a walking speed. So I'm going to take it at a nice angle like we did last time.
I'm glad I wasn't standing behind it. Did you see that? That's my new car. I'm glad I wasn't standing behind it.
Well, it's going to spin a bit, isn't it?
Did you see that it went straight into the hedge there?
So now before you ever go, I'm going to have one more go and just do it slower, because I did it in my truck until the wheel span, and then see if it can get out even when a wheel's spinning.
Okay.
That's my little go now. So we'll stop when the back left wheel here lifts off the ground. Cool.
Yeah, loving it.
Well, 4 low's fantastic, so...
Ah, that's the word I like to hear. Right, I'm off.
Alright, go for it. No, just do whatever you fancy.
Just enjoy it.
Just enjoy your new motor. If anyone could make anything in a car look hard, it's father.
Oh, there's going to be some.
Well, no, that was quite good because it stopped when you had one front wheel off the ground. No, one front wheel was off the ground, one back wheel was off the ground, and since you got no traction, no lockers, it's in all the power to the wrong wheels. and then that back left wheel was gripping and it juddered, and then it got up.
It did all right.
It did. Well, I thought I'd have thought for sure you were going to roll back there. I thought that was it.
Well,
it was.
To roll back.
Yeah, I thought it was just going to keep spinning and roll backwards, but it did it.
So I'm going to now
redeem yourself.
What do you mean? You said that was
Well, like
good?
I said, it was a good test, but
okay.
you made. I said if anyone's going to make it look hard, you just did.
So, would you like a little bit more momentum?
Well, a bit more momentum, a little bit better throttle modulation.
What about
get rid of that
bit
cobweb.
more finesse?
Bit more finesse.
And dust came into my car.
Oh dear. You might have to clean it again.
Yeah.
What a shame.
Right then. Live and learn.
Go on, Em.
Now, I'm going to show you how it should be.
Show us how it's done. Easy. Easy peasy. Fantastic. It's a great little motor, that. Does exactly what we wanted. See, it is a lot easier coming down. It's a fun little car.
It's a great car and a great purchase because you don't really, this sounds extravagant, but you don't really mind what you do to it.
No.
We'd rather not break it.
Yeah, we'd rather not, but
we can do a little bit more in this than we've done before.
Well, in our defence, this is the cheapest car we could find for sale to do what we want to do in it, which is this.
It is, and we think we got a Billy bargain.
We do, and I don't know if any of you've noticed, you probably haven't since the collection video, but we have done a full detail in the interior.
Yeah.
We didn't bother filming it because we were so excited, as we always do. But it's absolutely immaculate in here.
It's had the full wet vac, it's had the full treatment.
And it
smells lovely in here.
It does, it looks great. So
it's had the chemical guys everywhere, and we actually got the old Tornador out.
Yes, yeah, we did, yeah.
Which has had not many uses, so it's all had a good spraying of air and chemical guys cleaner, and it's actually lovely in here.
Yeah, it's
and
great.
I'll tell you what, that eat your heart out touchscreens. This, look, oh look, I can turn the fan on.
You can adjust the heat.
Oh, I can recirc or not recirc. It's wicked.
It is.
That's how all cars should be.
You're right.
Stop moaning now because I found some rubbish.
Yeah, Dad found some of people's rubbish.
People
It is very annoying. If you're out in the wild, don't leave your rubbish and throw it in a bin. It's not hard.
There's no need for it, so we'll take it.
Yeah. So we finished in the new Hannibal, the Zouk, and we're dead chuffed, aren't we?
Oh, I'm delirious.
Yeah, it's a bit more of a handful because it's got no traction control or lockers. It's quite good fun. And if it did it easy enough, isn't it?
Yeah,
no problem at all there. And this is our our third drive of it, and we're already out here. Yeah. So we're really enjoying it.
Well, and we know I certainly know nothing about driving off road. So anyone's got any tips and anything that we should do to it?
Yes.
We've got the legality problems in Portugal. We can't do much. We can't change the tyre size.
No,
we
can't give it a massive lift.
We can't do anything like that. Not that we want to, really.
No,
I don't think.
But let us know what you want to see of the Zouk in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll keep it short and sweet. So see you in the next video.